It's dragon fruit season, and what are the essential fertilizer and maintenance needed for your dragon fruit plant to produce more buds and flowers? It is important during the fruiting stage that your dragon fruit has the vital nutrients they need to produce the best possible yield. In my previous videos, I mentioned the importance of clearing the weeds, as they compete for light, nutrients, and available water in the soil. Aside from making your dragon fruit clear from unwanted weeds, it is essential that your dragon fruit plants are not deficient in nitrogen, magnesium, and potassium. Yellow or reddish-colored stems, stunted growth, poor flowering and fruiting are all common symptoms of nitrogen, magnesium, or potassium deficiency. Applying high nitrogen fertilizer such as sulfate of ammonia or poultry manure pellets and mulching with organic matter will remedy the problem. Magnesium deficiency symptoms are yellowing between the stem's veins, sometimes with reddish-brown tints. Magnesium is needed for healthy stems and for plants to harness energy from the sun via photosynthesis. Soil shortages of magnesium are more common in light sandy soils. Overuse of high potassium fertilizer can cause magnesium deficiency, as plants take up potassium in preference to magnesium. It is necessary to have right balance when applying fertilizer. For fast-acting cure of magnesium deficiency, apply Epsom salt, known as magnesium sulfate, as a foliar feed in summer. Dilute the salt as a ratio of 20 grams of Epsom salt per liter of water. Epsom salt helps improve flower blooming and enhances plants' green color. Potassium deficiency is yellowing of stems with browning at the edge and poor flowering or fruiting. Potassium is needed for controlling both water uptake and the process of allowing plants to harness energy from the sun. Potassium promotes flowering, fruiting, and general hardiness. Shortages are more likely on light sandy or chalky soils, where potassium is easily washed away. Clay soil, by contrast, holds potassium within their structure. To remedy the deficiency, apply high potassium fertilizer such as muriate of potash or certain organic potassium sources. Another source of micronutrients that can be used to keep your dragon fruit healthy is sewage foliar fertilizer. It can also use as soil conditioner. Enough sunlight, hydration, and free from pests and fungal infection is equally important during fruiting season. There is no substitute in proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming. Keep safe everyone. Happy harvest!